Welcome back. If you're into foldable technology, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the exciting rumors about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Even though the Z Fold 6 has just launched, discussions about the Z Fold 7 for 2025 are already sparking excitement. Let's explore what could be in store for this revolutionary device. One of the most anticipated changes for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is its design. Rumors suggest that it could be thinner than ever, possibly matching the 8.6mm thickness of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This would be a significant leap from the Z Fold 6 12.1mm and the original Fold's 17.1mm. Such a slim profile would mark a major advancement in foldable phone design, making the Z Fold 7 even more portable and sleek. The display on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to see significant enhancements. One of the most exciting updates is the potential increase in the interior screen size to 8 inches, compared to the Z Fold 6 7.6-inch display. This larger screen would provide an even more immersive and engaging user experience. Additionally, features like thinner bezels and advanced display technology are expected to contribute to a more seamless and visually appealing display, making the Z Fold 7 a standout device for media consumption and multitasking. In addition to the standard model, there are rumors about a premium Ultra version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This Ultra version might include support for the S Pen, providing users with greater flexibility and precision in their interactions with the device. Furthermore, camera upgrades that rival those of the Galaxy S25 Ultra are speculated, ensuring top-tier photography and videography capabilities. These enhancements would position the Ultra version as a powerful tool for both productivity and creativity. One of the most intriguing rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the possibility of a dual folding design. Samsung is reportedly developing this innovative concept to compete with UI, offering new folding mechanics that enhance flexibility and functionality. This dual folding design could revolutionize how users interact with their devices, providing multiple configurations for different use cases, whether it's for multitasking, gaming, or media consumption. Such a feature would truly set the Z Fold 7 apart in the foldable phone market. Adding to the excitement, there are reports that Samsung is working on 3 Z Fold 7 variants, codenamed B7, Q7, and Q7M. These different variants suggest that Samsung is exploring various designs and features to cater to a wide range of user preferences. The Q7M in particular could be either a special edition or an entirely new concept within the foldable lineup, indicating Samsung's commitment to innovation and diversity in their product offerings. With all these exciting features and upgrades, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to come with a premium price tag. Rumors suggest that the starting price might be around $2,000. This reflects the advanced technology, enhanced durability, and innovative design improvements that the Z Fold 7 brings to the table. While this price point positions it firmly in the ultra-premium segment, the value offered by its cutting-edge features justifies the investment for those looking to experience the future of foldable tech. Samsung aims to lead the ultra-premium segment and push foldable phones further into the mainstream market with the Z Fold 7. The advancements in design, display, and functionality are expected to set new standards in the industry. By continually innovating and addressing consumer needs, Samsung is positioning itself as a pioneer in the foldable tech revolution. The Z Fold 7 could be a pivotal product that not only attracts tech enthusiasts, but also convinces more mainstream users to adopt foldable smartphones. The foldable revolution is just beginning, and 2025 could be a pivotal year for Samsung with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. We can't wait to see how these rumors unfold and what the final product will bring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments about the future of foldable tech. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest in technology.